This is your Fox 47 News Flash.
Welcome to your Fox 47 News Flash from the Digital Newsroom. I'm Chris Lewis, and these are the top stories that we're following. In a press release Thursday, Brady Cook, superintendent of Michigan Center School District, announced that a staff member has tested positive for COVID-19. Cook said that after discussion with the Jackson County Health Department, the decision was made to transition to remote learning. The school will go online entirely starting on Friday, September 25th, and parents or guardians had the opportunity to pick up their children early on Thursday. All building staff will use the next 3 school days, which includes Friday, Monday, and Tuesday, to check in with students, provide additional supports, and allow students to get caught up on late or missing work. In addition, there will be no school practices, contests, or events as a precaution against the spread of COVID-19. The policy is effective immediately and will remain in effect until Friday, October 9th. Michigan lawmakers voted on Thursday to make it easier for clerks to process the surge in absentee ballots in the battleground state's presidential election by letting them start a day earlier than normal. Election officials currently cannot remove ballots from the outer envelopes until 7 a.m. on Election Day, which this year is November 3rd. Legislation sent to Governor Whitmer for her expected signature would allow them to be open between 10 a.m. and 8 p.m. on Monday, November 2nd, in cities or townships with at least 25,000 residents. Ballots would have to remain in the secrecy sleeves until being counted on November 3rd. The change is intended to help avoid delays in counting the vote due to so many people voting absentee. The option was significantly expanded under a 2018 voter-approved constitutional amendment and has become especially popular during the coronavirus pandemic. The Republican-led House passed the bill 94-11. A record 2.4 million people had requested absentee ballots as of Monday, which is quadruple the number of requests during the same period in 2016. Representative Vanessa Guerra, a Saginaw Democrat, noted that the legislation would only apply to the 2020 election and said legislators would have to revisit it in the next 2-year session. This November will not be the last election we have, and certainly won't be the last election where we can see an increased number of absentee voters. Michigan would automatically expunge the criminal records of hundreds of thousands of residents under sweeping clean slate bills that received final legislative approval on Thursday. The process, which would begin in 2023, would be automated, so people convicted of crimes wouldn't have to apply. They would be eligible 7 years after their misdemeanor sentence, and in the case of a felony, 10 years. Those with certain convictions wouldn't be eligible. The package would also let people with misdemeanor pot convictions clear the offenses beginning in January if they wouldn't have been crimes before voters' legalization of marijuana in 2018. The coronavirus has changed all of our lives, and many people don't know where to turn for help. That's why Fox 47 News WSYM-TV created Rebound Mid-Michigan, everything you need to get back on track in one convenient place. From dealing with stress to unemployment to helping put food on your table, plus ways you can lend a hand in your own community. Rebound Mid-Michigan, everything you need to get you through these difficult times. We may have fallen, but we will rebound together. Visit fox47news.com/rebound to learn more. Learn more about all of these and all Mid-Michigan's breaking news on fox47news.com.